every afternoon 3 o'clock I read your letter. Ahay, sa may bintana. Ahay, sabay ang luha. And in every evening until midnight I couldn't sleep tight because I'm longing for you. Because I'm longing for you. Enero, Pebrero, hinihintay kita, hindi ka dumating. Lumagpas ng Marso, I've been waiting for you hanggang April. Lumapit ang Mayo, ako'y nalulungkot ng pista sa atin. Pagkat ika'y wala, di ka nakapiling. Lumipas ng Hunyo, Hulyo, Agosto, ay wala ka pa rin. I've been longing for you, my heart is aching. I cannot wait longer, I cannot wait longer, I'm always crying. If you cannot come home, if you cannot